In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone using the official free method. Yes, it's now possible to transfer your chat history without needing any third-party apps. WhatsApp has recently rolled out an official free method to transfer your chat history from an Android phone to an iPhone. This method requires using both devices and a USB-C to Lightning cable, so be sure you have to be ready. Alright, first make sure that both devices have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Now on your Android, open WhatsApp, go to settings and on chats. Here, as you can see, after you scroll down, you can find the option that says transfer chats to iPhone. Tap on it. Now here you can transfer your chat privately and have your most up to date messages without using any iCloud and transfer it. Click on start. Now on your iPhone, simply scan the scanner. On your Android, after scanning the QR code, WhatsApp will start transferring your chat history from Android to iPhone, including your messages, media, and settings. This process may take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. So that's the official free way to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone.